Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on 28 years of Ajitism.
Yeah, and this video is created by A2 Studio.
Yes.
So it is a very brand new and just now 28 years of Ajit sir's whole career has got completed,
Right.
and this video is the symbol of
A tribute to
tribute,
him.
you can say, to Ajit
yes.
sir.
And also we had a plan for our channel also to give our reaction on this particular video, but unfortunately we are late a bit.
We are late a bit
Yes.
because you guys already know the reason. So yes, late, but क्या बोलते हैं, देर आए दुरुस्त आए, okay, in Hindi में. So yes, we are late, but obviously we will be doing, you guys already know that, and now we are here in front of you all. So let's get started, but before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. Wow,
Hey.
music instantly lifts.
Full of energy, right?
बाप रे.
நாம வாழணும் யார் வேணும் எத்தனை பேர் வேணும் கொள்ளலாம்
Villa.
இல்லை டேவிட் இல்லை
David Villa.
Wow.
His expression.
His smile.
Oh, powerful.
That's
Two-wheeler mechanic. Certified Formula One racer. Joy of photography. Aaron Malik.
Ooh. Each and every look.
தாரத்தப்பட்ட கிழிய போது
And that music. Awesome.
Awesome.
Wow. The theater response.
Theatre response. I think people have told to give reaction on one of the theatre response.
இந்த என் வாழ்க்கை
बाप रे, 2 कराके. These many movies.
So much. It's a long list.
Citizen.
என்னோட நண்பனா இருக்கிறதுக்கு எந்த தகுதி வேண்டாம் ஆனா எதிரியா இருக்கிறதுக்கு தகுதி வேணும்
Details.
Wow.
Wow, man. Can you whistle? I cannot, okay? It's unbelievable.
Yes.
Okay?
He
Like
has a great career also, and from his starting also he has done a lot of hard work.
a lot of
That's
hard
why.
work, and what a appearance. Like he's every time I see this man, I'm like, I cannot resist to tell that wow. Automatically it
His
will come.
expression and all is
Wow
superb,
word.
yes.
Yes, his expression is superb. His whole body language is
And
superb.
also
He's a
dialogue
stylish
delivery,
icon,
his
dialogue
stylish.
delivery. His
His
hair,
dressing sense also is super.
everything. He's a handsome grandfather. He would be, and he's a handsome father now also. Now I think so. Yes, it is unbelievably outstanding. A2 Studio has done a brilliant job,
Brilliant job.
and also the background music. It is the showstopper.
Yes.
The background music instantly lifts up the energy. If you are thinking that okay, kaisa hoga and all. Definitely,
Definitely.
after
And I think-
hearing,
and
your views
in
will be
this
changed.
in this they have consist only most of the like action
Action
kind
kind
or
of, yeah.
his expression.
Correct.
But one thing we have missed like his
Romantic.
beginning of
Beginning,
starting
struggle period, and
struggle
also
period and all. Yes.
struggle period, and
Romance also.
the romance and emotional scenes.
Yes.
Here it is mainly the action
Action
and
and
angry
his angry
kind
face
of
look,
Ha,
yes.
ha, that kind of aggression and very firm heart kind of expression.
Yes.
But he is a very good romantic romantic hero also, very emotion के मतलब दिख में अगर देखे, he is superb. Okay, he's the king of all, but that scene is missing somehow.
Yeah,
He can
of course,
मतलब
right.
A2 Studio
I think there
include
will be
of-
some more of 28 years
Yeah.
of Ajitism videos
Yeah,
also,
his
and
contribution,
of course we can give some more reaction
more
on those
reaction.
parts also.
Yes, definitely we'll be
Yes.
doing that, because we also are eagerly see different kinds of
Right.
Ajitism videos, because
Actually, by seeing this also, we also get to know a lot of the things
Lot
also
of the
that
things.
we don't know.
Yes.
Yes.
I think we have already seen the 25 or 27 years of Ajitism.
Yes, I think 27
2-3
years we have
months
done.
back.
Yes.
So that was also pretty good, but this one is so far good,
Yes.
which we have seen today. But yeah, some points are missing, as we told,
Right.
that the struggle period and the
Yes.
other kind of characters.
I think
of
this should be a bit long also,
long.
around
It is very
5
short.
to 10 minutes.
2 minutes 35 seconds only.
Yes.
But yes, it is a treat to our eyes. We really enjoyed it, and it is good only.
Yes.
It is not bad. We are not saying that it is
Right.
bad. It is very good. But some of the points are missing. I think I'll be giving 9 out of 10.
Yes, of
As
course.
per the creativity and
Right,
all.
yes, creativity and all was good, and music and
हाँ,
everything was
music
good.
was तो
And also, once again, we are congratulating Ajit sir
Ajit sir for
completing
completing.
28 years in the industry.
Ah.
It's a very big period also.
Very big
Sustaining
thing.
it for 28 years in an
Correct.
industry, it's
Yes.
very tough also.
Yeah, and we are expecting 28
Long way
years,
to go.
long way to go,
Yes.
and yes, due to this quarantine, I know that
Nothing
no
is new
movies
is
will be coming, now, new movies, but definitely ये उठ जाने के बाद will be definitely want to see your movies in the
Yeah.
theater and all.
I think the hope will get after 2-3 months.
2-3 months.
Yeah.
So yes, we enjoyed it like anything, and yeah, it is a 9 out of 10,
Yes.
which is a decent number. You also will be
Yeah,
9,
of
right?
course.
Yeah. So yes, I really hope that you'll also like today's content. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes. So the first comment for today is from Pranay2456, and he is writing his comment on epic arrow fight scene reaction, and he is saying a Bahubali war scene. Yes.
That was also from Bahubali.
Right, right.
So yeah, Bahubali
Yes,
में तो a
that's
lot of war
iconic
scenes are there.
movie, yes.
Iconic movie. A lot of scenes will be there. Head cutting scene, that is also
Actually, we had
was
a
very
lot
well
of plans,
requested.
but before that, unfortunate thing happened with us.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
yes.
But definitely
Going forward,
slowly
are
we
going
will
to
be
do.
like recovering everything. Whatever request you have, definitely will be completing.
Right.
Just give us a little time, so that this is actually a bit of fast. We have to go on a little fast, but definitely we'll be doing. And yeah, war scene we'll be doing that. Kalkiya wala scene, that is a war scene.
Yes.
And also with the
Lot of war scene. is
with the
there.
brother, that is also a war scene, we'll be definitely doing.
Yeah.
Okay, and that epic arrow scene was outstanding. Right? It was marvelous.
Execution was superb, and
Execution
with
was
that, I love the
outstanding.
music and all.
Yeah.
That arrow was going, that sound of some iron
Slow
or
motion,
something. Yes.
slow motion, ये जो कान का बाली ये
Yes.
करके जा रहा है, that
That
was
was romantic scene between that
that
fight
is why
scene.
I like the most actually.
Yes.
So yes, definitely we'll be doing the war scene reaction, and yeah, thank you so much for commenting and for suggesting this
Yes.
scene. So the second comment for today's video is from Jovi Joyson Akrapathy, and he's commenting, did you guys know Sushant Singh Rajput had a chance in Tamil industry for Bangalore Days remake? Oh, we didn't know that.
Okay, we didn't know that.
Actually,
but it's
he
very
could have
unfortunate.
a long future in
Yeah.
Tamil industry, in
Bollywood,
each and
in,
every industry.
in North India also, a
Yeah.
lot of places he can have done a lot of great works, but
But it's very unfortunate,
Unfortunately, we
and
can't tell
we
much
didn't
about
know
that.
that. Thank
Yes.
you for the information, and that is why like this is the point of reading comments, so that we also got to know and people also got to know. This is a very remarkable thing, that if he could be alive, he can like
done some
show his
more
acting
talents,
skill
yes.
in Tamil industry. So
Yeah.
that could not be happened, and we are very sorry for him. So yeah, thank you so much for the information and for watching our videos.
Yes. So the third and the last comment for today is from Karthikeyan Olaganthan, and he's writing his comment on Thala Ajit birthday special matchup 2020 reaction, and he's saying, I like your comments, but one thing, Thala not dissolve his fan due to failure of films. Another reason only Thala fans 90s kid understood.
I didn't understand.
I
What is
too
that?
didn't understand what
Dissolve his
exactly.
fans due to failure of films.
Okay.
I didn't understand that.
I think some fan club he was dissolved, somebody was saying, right? some
Oh.
fan club he was having some fan clubs.
Oh.
So somebody was saying that he has dissolved his fan clubs and all.
Oh, is
So,
it?
yes.
Oh,
So
okay.
I think that was
He
the
didn't do
point.
that.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So yes, that is a new thing we read today, and to be very frank, I didn't have any knowledge regarding that. And yeah, he's a he is a superb actor and inspiration to many.
Right.
Okay,
And failure happens to each and
in
every-
life. This is
every
the part
great
of
talents,
life.
yes.
This is a part of life. If one failure will be happen, two more success will come in your way. Okay, so yeah, that is it. And yeah, thank you so much for commenting and for watching our video. So these are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, who are our subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also
Yes.
please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.